Alright guys, I've been working on the pit bike a little bit here and there. I worked on it last night and good news. I was able to get the pit bike running. The only issue is that's all oil. All of it. So we have a big issue. I think I know what's wrong. Actually, I don't think. I'm almost 100% positive I know what's wrong is that stator butts up against the head of the motor. I don't know what it is, to be honest with you. This is where my lack of experience comes into play. But basically that stator butts up. There's a seal around it. And if you take that stator off, all the oil drains out, as you can see right there. So basically what happened is I didn't get that stator seated in there very well. So the oil leaked around the bottom of the seal, and it very well could be because of the screw that I used to put it back on. I don't have the other screws yet, so I kind of improvised a little bit, and obviously I think that didn't work. So we're gonna have to take all that off again, but it starts, so it was the stator, and I know that it runs and everything. If I can just get that figured out, put some more oil in it, I think we're gonna be able to rip it. So let's do it. Alright, so these new screws that I got, I think they're going to work. I'm going to try to trim them down, though, because they're just a tad bit long. I don't know how well that's going to go. If not, I'm going to swap the one stator screw that I have to the bottom, because that's where the oil is going to obviously leak out of. And then I'm going to just improvise for the top screw, and that should work out the issue. The stator definitely was not seated very well, so regardless of the screw at the bottom, it was probably still going to leak oil. So I'm going to fill it up with oil before I put everything back together, because obviously big brain, I should have probably done that anyway. I just didn't think anything of it. And then I should be able to see if oil's going to go out of there. So yeah, hopefully I can get that all done here in a second and take it for a rip. I should probably put my clutch shifter on, because I can't really put it in first. That's not on, that's so funny.
Oh my God! Hi, babies! Hi! How are you guys?
This one's all right.
Ish.